I'm head go. Lay down on the bed, do the cry, baby. She gave me none that puss in a while. She had to go away, now I don't mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah. Want me keep on my diamonds and sex? What's your name? Keisha, Key, Jazz, Kiera, Meg, go!
When do I look at the camera? When do I look? Hi, what a surprise that you're here. Look at my face. I can't wait to show you more of my face.
Hey BRATZ, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a pretty simple hairstyle. These are just all the things that you're going to need. Feel free to pause. We're just going to go ahead and get started. You guys, this hairstyle is so simple, so quick, and so easy to do. I don't know why I thought that this hairstyle was going to be very difficult, but it really wasn't. It was pretty much doing how I do my usual ponytails. I'm just starting off here by parting my hair down the middle. You guys, I am doing this on 2-week-old hair, and the only reason why I did not do this on clean hair was because I knew how many products and how much product I was going to be putting in my hair. So I did not feel like it was, or it did not make sense for me to put product on clean hair. So my hair isn't super dirty, as you can see. I'm just going ahead and using my Camille Rose Growth Serum. I use this almost every video. I swear by this growth hair oil. Not only does it help promote hair growth, it definitely smells amazing, and it's really good at keeping my hair very protected during your natural styles. And right here, I'm going ahead and using my camera. You guys know my trick, which is to use a camera or a mirror, turn the opposite way from a mirror, and go ahead and see if your parts and lines are straight, girls. Here, after I have the two desired ponytails or buns, I am going ahead using my Edge Style Booster. You guys see I graduated from the tiny bottles that I kept using, and I found the one that had the same formula. But once I figured out where exactly I wanted my buns to go, because I wanted to make sure that they were kind of even, I just went ahead and started applying the Eco Styler Booster, whatever it's called, to the edges and ends of my ponytails, just to make sure that they are kind of positioned where I want. And I'm just using a hard brush to brush that product in and mold and shape my buns exactly how I want it. This hairstyle literally can give you very nostalgic vibes, because it definitely gave me those vibes. I just thought back to the days where I used to literally wear this hairstyle almost every day to school, and I don't know, it was just really cute. But adding weave for me is definitely a way to make it a little bit more of an adult touch, make it very grown woman. I loved seeing this hairstyle in MEGTHESTALLION's video. I thought it was super cute, especially with the theme. So I had to go ahead and give it a try, and Meg is an Aquarius and it's her birthday month, so why not? So as you can see, I'm on the second side, or the second half of my ponytails. I am just making sure that I have it exactly where I want it. It didn't take me very long to do, only because I'm used to doing buns and ponytails all the time on myself. So I think I'm getting pretty good at, you know, measuring my hair out and where I want it. And now that I have it in two buns is when the fun begins. I'm going to go ahead and braid down my hair just like I did kind of in my last tutorial, or just how you would do it if you were adding a single ponytail. I'm braiding it all the way down to the end, because instead of gluing or wrapping the tracks around the base of the ponytail, it looks way more realistic if you do it this way, guys. Trust me, there is no glue involved and no sewing. This is super easy, super simple. Just stay with me. So for all my natural girls out there with curly hair, you know how very, very important it is to protect our ends at all times. These rubber bands were from my last hair tutorial I did, where I did Bantu knots, and they were and have been soaking in hair oil to make sure that they do not snag my ends. I swear by this method. I think it's super important to do every single time you use them. Trust me, girls, your ends will thank you. You're gonna go ahead and grab your hair, you can use bundles. I just decided to use the Yaki hair only because it was super cheap, super easy and convenient. I kind of wanted to get the style done very quickly, so I ran to my local beauty supply store where I picked up this hair. I'm going ahead and wrapping one side of the hair, you had to sneeze, one side of the hair to the end and tying the other, and just going ahead and starting to loop that around the end. And I swear you guys, it's so simple, and you just start wrapping, and before you know it, the hair is all the way up your hair shaft. See, that didn't take much time at all. Wrapping it is very, very simple and very, very easy. It is such a protective way to get a cute hairstyle under, what, like 10-20 minutes. So after I'm wrapping all the way to the top, I'm just going to keep that last piece out and get some olive oil sheen spray or whatever spray, holding spray that you want. I'm using that, and I'm just going ahead and brush it through to cover up the very last top part of the ponytail. This is actually where you can cover and hide where the cracks end and the ponytail holder starts. And if you did not want to add the bobos like I did at the end, you can totally wear this hairstyle just like that. It's not necessary for you to add bobos, but for the look and purpose of this video, I did that anyway. So from here, guys, I'm just doing the same exact thing to my hair. I did not think that I needed to keep this very slow, so I went ahead and sped this up even faster because it's literally the same process I just did on the other side. Just make sure that you guys are doing even wraps because you will run out of track, or you may even run out of space on your ponytail, which would cause you to cut your wefts. So to avoid that and to just keep the hairstyle very simple, just make sure that you are being diligent in your work and you're not over wrapping your hair. And this is what they came out looking like, you guys. It's definitely a different hairstyle for me, but I love how they came out. They were super simple, super easy. I'm just here laying down my edges. You guys know that your edges, your sideburns, add whatever flair that you love and make the hairstyle you. So this is what it looks like. I'm going ahead and flatten out my edges, and we'll see what it looks like. And I am just about finished doing this hairstyle around this point. I'm just going ahead and adding those bobos in and fixing up the ponytail hair with the flat iron, my edges. Y'all, I love how this look came out. I would love to see if you went ahead and tried this look. It's so simple. It's so fun to switch it up sometimes. You guys got to give them a different personality, baby, every once in a while. So if you guys love this tutorial, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I had so much fun doing it. Thanks so much for watching. Stay blessed, guys. See ya.